Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, we're going to open up Cash App. After that, click the icon in the bottom left. We're going to go to the Bitcoin graph right here where it says buy Bitcoin. And first, we're going to buy a Bitcoin. We're going to enter any amount that we'd like to invest in. But for this example, I will only do $5. You have now bought some Bitcoin done. Now I'm still staying in this Bitcoin graph. Right click this arrow icon right here. We're going to press send Bitcoin. Now this is going to be the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to the person. Now below where it says send Bitcoin, it gives you a point number amount BTC available. That's how much of Bitcoin available that you have that you can send to a person. And now with the $4 that I want to send to somebody, the number after the zeros is currently 15,024. That is less than the amount I have available. So I am eligible to send this amount of Bitcoin. So press send. Now the very first option that you see here, it says to name cash tag or BTC address. This is where you're going to copy and paste the Bitcoin address that's connected to the wallet that you want to send. So it's going to look something like this. Is going to be a long address. We're going to confirm whose is going to by pressing on the name. Now once you confirm this to the Bitcoin wallet address that you want to send it to, we're going to click the name and go next. Now right here is going to ask you how fast you want the withdrawal to be done. I'm going to go with the first option, priority, and click next. Now here's going to say you initiate a withdrawal of that much Bitcoin. Click done. You successfully send an amount of Bitcoin to another wallet. So that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.